Good evening, viewers, and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav introduces Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha. Meghalaya government rules out imposing family planning, maintains family planning a personal choice. Peace-building measures on after Assam-Meghalaya boundary skirmish in Maikuli village in Ribhoi district. The news in detail. Electronics and IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav today introduced the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha. This bill encourages esports and online social games while prohibiting harmful online money gaming services, advertisement and financial transactions related to them. It has the provision for the appointment of an online gaming authority for coordinated policy support, strategic development and regulatory oversight of the sector. Its objective is to protect individuals, especially youth and vulnerable populations, from the adverse social, economic, psychological and privacy-related impacts of such games.
Sir, I rise to introduce the Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 to be taken into consideration.
The Meghalaya government has ruled out imposing family planning, with Health Minister Umpling Lingdo stating that as a Christian and tribal state, every child is considered a gift of God and family planning must remain a personal choice. However, she stressed the importance of spacing births to reduce high-risk pregnancies. Lingdo highlighted that Meghalaya's infant and maternal mortality rates have improved but remain 15 to 17% short of the national average, with mother care being a major focus. She also informed that the process of separating the MCH hospital from Nongstoin Civil Hospital is underway, with staff adjustments being finalized.
We are, I think, short by about 15 to 17%. So what is the we will try to achieve this at the earliest. And now we're also looking at mother care. We are also a tribal community which believes that every child is a gift from God. We do not want to deviate from ancient practice. We are still a very small community. We do not want to impose family planning. It is the choice of families, choice of the mother, choice of the family, but we are making sure that mothers are now recovered enough before they have their next child.
2 days after the clash between the border residents of Meghalaya and Assam that broke out following dismantling electric poles erected by the Assam State Electricity Board, or the ASEB, in Maikuli, discussions were held with the residents today. The Ribhoi district authorities, along with the Jirang MLA, deliberated on measures to restore peace. During the meeting, attended by the MLA and the district authorities, the villagers expressed before them the difficulties they are facing and urged the authorities to take necessary steps and inform the government about their grievances. The Deputy Commissioner have been asked to submit a formal complaint to the government highlighting the hardships faced by the villagers. An explosion rocked Umpling Lomding Med Shillong late last night, leaving 2 persons injured, including a BSF personnel. The injured personnel were identified as BSF soldiers Sandeep Kumar and Shubham Charan Momin. Both were inside the house when the blast occurred. According to the preliminary reports, the blast occurred inside a residence by suspected aerosol. The injured victim was immediately rushed to hospital for treatment. Local authorities and emergency responders quickly reached the spot, bringing the situation under control. Investigations are underway to ascertain the exact cause of the explosion. Senior BJP legislator and cabinet minister A.L. Hegg also visited the spot. The government is awaiting the Medical Council of India's letter of permission to start the Shillong Medical College and Hospital. Health Minister Umpling Lyngdoh said preparations are complete, faculty recruitment is underway, and MBBS seats will be advertised soon. The state has nearly met the required faculty strength after earlier facing a 17% shortfall. Lyngdoh added that new medical colleges in Shillong and Tura will ease the doctor shortage in 3 years. She also said Meghalaya now has its own medical registry to ensure state-sponsored doctors return, while the government is considering raising bond amounts.
So Shillong Medical College is awaiting the LOP from the MCI. And yes, we are far advanced. Yes, counselling for the MBBS seats is going to be advertised shortly. We have received our numbers of seats. We are awaiting for the last batches to come. We were short by about 17% of faculty for years 3, 4, 5, if I have my facts correct. But we are now, I think, very close to the completion of the numbers of faculties required for the start of a medical college.
Following the incident of a syringe attack on a school girl, North Shillong MLA Adalbert Nongrum has sounded the alarm. He stated that such incidents are unheard and called for collective efforts from all stakeholders to nip it in the bud. Nongrum also visited the family members of the victim, who is currently undergoing treatment at Dr. Gordon Robert Hospital. Speaking to media, Adalbert expressed his deep sorrow over this incident and said that such an incident should not be silenced because it is a terrible incident, and urged that not only the police or the government or the civil society should work, but also the help of the people.
Pagkatmao, bakadon ru kajingong, ba silent is the greatest crime. Mo kajing sabjar, kadai ka jinglek kam sendiu ko ba syirkai. Timar kada mo khot ani kapor na kapanta baro kinong song sunong mangindon ngata ka mass participation. Habari bani kapanta mdesu tang police, mdesu tang government, mdesu tang kisang balang. Dari baro ahi nginaya persanghiban. Tray rejong benta ngai ka buromi ki kajing khublai. Yaki police department ni hakini ki social yakini ki anti social element bila persanghi kapan lea la jong kamram tunang tre stop.
The Non-Gazetted Employees Association, or NGEA, has refused the government offer of 4 months' salary and has decided to continue their protests until their 43-month salary is released. The NGEA has been protesting for a month and 14 days now. Earlier, the CEM and Deputy CEM of GHADC, in their meeting with the NGEA members, had informed that the state government has released Rs 24 crore 45 lakh 900, which would cover 4 months of pending salaries. Rejecting it, one of the protesting employee and NGEA member, Arphana N. Sangma, said they won't accept the 4 months of salary and are continuing our agitation.
On 18 August 2025, CEM and the Deputy CEM called to talk with NGEA President Secretary and the member of NGEA at the CEM chamber. They told us that they had received 24 crores, 45 lakhs and 900 from state government, and they are ready to disperse our salary for 4 months. But in that, we are not accepting that 4 month salary, and we are continuing our agitation till that.
Residents of Umpling village in Riboy district were once again compelled to come together and repair the severely damaged road connecting Amdubighat to Umpling, a vital stretch along the Meghalaya-Assam border. The road, spanning approximately 2 kilometers, has long been neglected, causing immense hardship to commuters, especially during the monsoon season. The poor condition of the road has not only disrupted daily travel, but has also created serious challenges for school children who are forced to walk through the treacherous stretch to reach their schools. The villagers, along with government employees residing in the area, have urged the authorities, particularly the local representative of Mauhati constituency, to take urgent measures for constructing a durable and all-weather road. The Meghalaya Civil Defence and Home Guards organizes Rozgar Mela, where 445 newly recruited candidates receive their appointment letters for various posts. The recruitment covered positions of sub-inspector, guardsman and equivalent ranks, driver and non-combatant employee. The appointment letter were handed over by Civil Defence and Home Guards Minister Kamingwan Ombon at a special ceremony held at the parade ground, Civil Defence and Home Guards Complex, Maudiangdiang.
Not only the beginning of your professional journey, but also continuation of a proud tradition of service, sacrifice and discipline. Discipline is very important in our organization. Since instruction in the state, the Civil Defence and Home Guard have always stood as a pillar of courage and resilience during time of crisis.
Redeemed Lang's stunning 36th minute strike seal a narrow 1-0 win for defending champions Northeast United FC over Shillong Lajong FC, booking their place in the final of the 134th Indian Oil Durand Cup. In a tightly contested semi-final, Tlang's long-range effort, coming right after a break in play due to a referee substitution, wrong-footed goalkeeper Siwel Rumbai to give NEUFC the decisive lead. Despite a spirited performance and swift counter-attacks, Shillong Lajong failed to register a shot on target. Shillong Lajong exit with pride, having pushed the champions to the limit. The 40th Meghalaya State Badminton Championship officially commenced today at the NSCA Stadium, Umpling, with great enthusiasm and participation from across the state. The prestigious three-day event is being hosted by the Riboy District Badminton Association, or RBDBA, and will feature 314 players competing in a total of 430 matches across various categories. The championship was formally inaugurated by Nongpo MLA Meral Bonds Aim. In his address, Meral Bonds Aim lauded the efforts of the organizers and expressed pride in Riboy district for hosting such a significant sporting event. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 24 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 73% and the rainfall was recorded at 1.6 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 20 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 76% and the rainfall was 3.5 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature was 20 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 78% and rainfall was recorded at 1.0 millimeter. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and July says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. And now, before we end the news, the headlines once again. IT Minister Ashwini Vaishnav introduces Promotion and Regulation of Online Gaming Bill 2025 in the Lok Sabha. Meghalaya government rules out imposing family planning, maintains family planning a personal choice. Peace building measures on after Assam-Meghalaya boundary skirmish in Maikhuli village in Ribhoi district. And Northeast United FC defeats Shillong Lajong FC in the semi-final of the 134th Indian Oil Durand Cup. Well, viewers, with that, we have come to the end of the news. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.
শোণিতপুৰ জিলাৰ পৰা আমাৰ পঞ্চায়তৰ প্ৰতিনিধি যাব। পঞ্চায়তৰ প্ৰতিনিধি